The Toyota Grand Highlander, Highlander, Sienna, and the Lexus TX are some of the most important products in the Toyota and Lexus lineup because they sell in droves. That's why today we're excited to be going to the place where they build these important products, TMMI, which is in Princeton, Indiana. We're going to go behind the scenes today and give you an exclusive look at how they build these important models. Let's get to it. Our journey begins at the Toyota Experience Center, where Toyota shares its decades-long story of manufacturing excellence, both globally and right here in the Hoosier State. Toyota broke ground on this site in 1996, and by 1998, the very first Toyota Tundra rolled off the line. The plant grew quickly, adding the Sequoia in 2001, the Sienna in 2003, and the Highlander in 2009. Most recently, in 2023, Toyota Indiana celebrated the addition of two brand new SUVs, the Grand Highlander and the Lexus TX, one of only 3 Lexus products built outside of Japan. Since 1996, Toyota has invested more than $8 billion into this region, creating thousands of jobs and supporting local suppliers across the Midwest. Today, this incredible facility spans over 4.5 million square feet. That's the size of 80 football fields under one roof. Designed with both Toyota and Lexus branding for a unified look. The facility's layout was inspired by ideas from employees themselves, blending efficiency with pride in every corner. It's not just a place to work, it's basically a little town, complete with 2 cafes, on-site markets, a fitness center, and even ATMs. From the outside, it's massive. But inside, the real magic happens, a carefully orchestrated dance of humans and machines working in perfect harmony. It all begins at the stamping shop, a 300,000 square foot space filled with towering presses that shape 270 pieces of steel for every single vehicle. These machines produce over 86,000 parts a day, with each panel inspected for precision and strength. Ultrasound technology helps engineers measure metal quality and weld integrity before moving on to the next stage. Next is the weld shop, home to over 2,000 robots and 500 skilled team members. Sparks fly as robotic arms perform resistance and arc welding to form a vehicle's frame. Every weld is checked under the bright lights on the consumer satisfaction line, where technicians run their hands along the body panels to feel for imperfections. For Lexus models, there are extra quality checkpoints along the way, ensuring that each TX lives up to the Lexus standard of craftsmanship. Once the paint is cured, vehicles move on to assembly. 2 main lines run side by side. Each team member has the power to pull a quality cord, stopping the line instantly if something isn't perfect. From dashboards to seats to wiring and trim, every detail is installed by hand, guided by Toyota's just-in-time parts delivery system. At the end of the line, every minute counts. Literally. A new vehicle rolls off the line every 60 seconds, heading straight to the final inspection. Here, multiple inspectors perform thousands of checks. Each vehicle is started for the first time, driven up to 80 miles per hour, and then sprayed down in a water bath that simulates a monsoon. Before leaving, headlights are aligned, electronics are tested, and for Lexus there's an extra step. The Circle L team gives every TX an even deeper inspection, checking fit, finish, and feel with a fine-tooth comb. It's all part of Toyota's mission to ensure 92% of vehicles pass through without a single defect, a benchmark of quality few manufacturers can match. Perfection doesn't happen by chance. It's built through training. Inside Toyota Indiana's Quality Fundamental Skills training room, both Toyota and Lexus team members spend countless hours mastering their craft. Here, employees learn to detect microscopic differences in gaps, textures, and surfaces, training their eyes and hands to sense even the smallest flaw. These lessons are the foundation of Toyota's Takumi Master Program, a globally recognized system of craftsmanship that blends skill, patience, and pride. Team members learn to make split-second decisions on the line, knowing when to pause production or correct an issue on the spot. It takes time, precision, and passion to reach Takumi-level mastery. But once achieved, these experts become the backbone of Toyota's global quality reputation. Beyond the factory walls, Toyota Indiana plays a huge role in shaping the community around it. Through partnerships with the North Gibson School District, Toyota helps fund new school buildings and even support the local YMCA, giving families opportunities for growth and connection. Their Driving Possibilities initiative goes a step further, addressing the STEM education gap by creating long-term programs that prepare students for careers in advanced manufacturing and technology. One example is the 4T program, where local high school students gain real-world factory experience while earning dual college credits and getting paid. Many graduate with a full-time job offer waiting for them before they even receive their diploma. After more than 8 million vehicles built and over 8,000 team members strong, Toyota Indiana stands out as a very important part of the community. Well guys, we hope you enjoyed this detailed look behind the curtain of how Toyota manufactures many of their most important SUVs and vans. If you enjoyed seeing this behind the scenes, let us know in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe for all kinds of automotive content, not just factory tours. We'll see you next time. Take care.